challenged with digitizing your supply chain to achieve the velocity and agility required to deliver new services to your shoppers? Dealing with the issues of optimizing your supply chain to support your omni-channel strategy. Optimizing the highest on-shelf availability while minimizing inventories in your supply chain. How can you anticipate demand across all channels, orchestrate the continuous flow of supply to your stores, and reduce cost across your supply network? You need to connect, optimize, collaborate, and execute. Imagine a real-time digital network that connects you with your stores, franchises, distributors, suppliers, and carriers on a pull-based, consumer-driven network. The network gives you real-time visibility and traceability of all supply chain events across all nodes on the network. It allows you and your trading partners to plan and execute in near real time based on a single view of consumer demand. It allows you to leverage intelligent agents to optimize your operations in real time, from demand sensing and order processing to shipping and receiving. The network is predictive and resilient. It eliminates all delays, frictions, and inefficiencies of traditional enterprise systems connected between trading partners via EDI, emails, and spreadsheets. Digitizing your entire supply network creates a competitive advantage. Today, the retail industry operates with high levels of inventory and still experiences poor shelf availability. With the adoption of a real-time demand-driven digital network, you could increase your revenues by 1 to 4%, reduce your cost of goods sold by 5 to 10%, and reduce your inventories by 20 to 30%. Innovative companies have already achieved breakthrough results. A leading grocery retailer leveraged a single transportation solution on the network to optimize its inbound DC operations, resulting in a 90% reduction in manual operations and providing better inventory and delivery visibility. Thousands of companies, including restaurant companies, retailers, suppliers, carriers, and distributors, already operate on the real-time value network. You too can achieve breakthrough performance by digitizing your supply network with one network.